Thank you, INIU, for sending this item to check out. And we are looking at the INIU power bank, the P73-E1. And this is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, which wireless charging at 15 watts and 45 watt charger when it's wired charging. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Pulling it out. Has some paperwork here. User manual. And here we have the INIU MagSafe portable charger that's QI2 certified. Very slim. I always love this little icon here, little paw print to let you know how much charge you have. And I guess we have a little bit more than half. We got the paw and the 1, 2, 3, 4 little toes. And we got the power button here. And then the lanyard, which also ends up making or hiding the USB-C to USB-C cable. So you can charge your phone wirelessly. You kick the kickstand out, place it down on the table like this, and you place your phone here. I'm currently using my phone to film, but even though my phone is a Samsung S24 Plus, this will charge the device, though it won't hold it very well because I also have a case on it. So it's not really MagSafe, but if I hold it up to the back of my phone, I see that the wireless charger pops up. It says fast wireless charging. And my phone is at 76%, and it's going to take 48 minutes until it's fully charged. So while specifically made for iPhones that are MagSafe, it will work with Samsung, but it just won't attach. Like it won't attach to the phone, but it will charge it. So there are two USB-C connections. We got one here, and you got one here. They both output 45 watts. Yep, super fast charging 2.0, and they can input 27 watts. They could be used in and out. So to charge or to charge the battery pack itself. Will it work as a pass-through? Here we have, I'm going to charge the device going in. It changed my phone status to fast charging, which is going to take 43 minutes instead of the super fast charging 2.0. And it says here, press the button to enable wireless charging when the USB-C is wired for charging. So when you're charging the device, the power bank, you press the power button to turn on charging for the wireless charger. Okay, let's see if that works. So right now it's wireless charging my S24 Plus while also charging the power bank. So that does work. So if you want to fully charge this device, they recommend using a 30 watt or higher charger. My phone is connected to a 100 watt power adapter with the cable that can do 240 watts. And this has been the INIU MagSafe portable charger.